Hey everyone, my name is Gulsan and I'm from Bihar. If you want to speak English fluently and confidently without any hesitation and fear, this video is for you. I am going to provide you with the full roadmap in this video that will help you achieve your dream of speaking English fluently. Okay, so let's get started without doing any further delay. But before I start this video, let me mention something. Let me tell you something. If you are learning this language or if you are learning anything new right now, don't try to be perfect. I have made this mistake and I'm telling you this from my personal experience. If you try to be perfect, if you try to speak every sentence correctly, you might not learn this language faster. You might end up being confused while speaking. So don't try to be over conscious while speaking this language. Just try to deliver your emotions and feelings in words. And sometimes you might be wrong, sometimes you might be correct, but trial and error is the only way that will help you speak this language fluently, that is going to teach you to speak English fluently. So this was the first thing that I would like to mention, and I would like you to keep this thing always in your mind. Now let's get started and talk about the roadmap. Now let's talk about the roadmap. The roadmap is, I want you to go back to your childhood and think about the way you have learned your mother tongue. I want you to think for a moment. How have you learned your mother tongue? Were you doing something? Were you writing something? Were you reading something in order to learn your mother tongue? I believe that you were not doing anything like that. You were just observing your parents, observing the people around you, and you have learned your mother tongue like this. But I know the reality. I know that you don't have the people who speak in English. So there's no way you are going to learn English like the way you have learned your mother tongue. I know that feeling. Okay? But I want you to approach at least learning English the way you have learned your mother tongue. That way you are going to learn English very easily. I have started I had started learning English the way I have learned my mother tongue in 2023, and in 2 years I have now become very comfortable with speaking English. Okay, so the first thing that you can do to learn English like the way you have learned your mother tongue is listen to English massively. Listen to something in English massively, and again I am telling you to listen to something that you understand. I have seen most beginners listening to something that they don't understand, but I don't want you to do that. And one problem that I still face is that I speak English fast and I'm trying to mitigate my speed. I'm trying to, slow down my voice while speaking. But you know what? I am get used to speaking English fast. Like I have consumed the content from American people, and I have picked up my English speed from there. Okay, so now let's come to the point. I was telling you to just listen to English massively and listen to something that you understand. Okay, so yes, this is something that you can do. So listening is the first thing, and listen massively and spend your most of the time listening to something in English, 8 to 10 hours every single day. Be obsessed with listening to something in English, and if you don't understand, that's okay. You will start understanding English gradually. This is something what happened to me. I didn't understand when I started listening to English, but gradually I picked up the habit of understanding. Like now I am quick to understand. Now I understand movies in English. I don't need subtitles anymore, and this is all happened because I kept listening. I kept Now the second thing that you need to do is, the second thing is speak this language as much as possible. Don't wait for the perfect moment to start speaking this language. I have seen most people waiting for the perfect moment to start speaking English, but I'll not suggest you to uh, start speaking English once you complete some particular things. Like I have seen people saying, once I learn some grammar rules, then I'll start speaking English. Once I'll complete these sentences, then I'll start speaking in English. But those people always keep waiting, and they never speak English fluently. They never learn to articulate their thoughts well in English. And I want you to do I want you to speak English every single day and as much as possible. Never afraid, or never just be afraid of making mistakes, because mistakes are inevitable. You can't stop yourself from making mistakes as long as you are learning. So yes, the mistakes will reduce, like the mistakes will be minimized over time once you keep refining your English. You don't have to worry about making mistakes. Mistakes will take care of their own. So yes, and yes, there are two more things that you can do to learn English faster. The first thing is writing, and the second thing is reading. Writing and reading are something that you must do in order to speak English fluently and fastly. If you want to learn English fast, these are the two things that you keep doing. Writing helps you with the clarity of your thoughts. Like when you are writing something, when you write your thoughts down on a piece of paper every single day, it helps you clear your thoughts. Like when you are speaking in front of people, you will get the words, like exactly the words that you need. So this is something that writing helps you with. And reading is something that you can do to improve your vocabulary. Like it expands your vocabulary, it enhances your vocabulary. So yes, reading is very very essential for all of you who want to expand vocabulary. So yes, these were the four things that I did in order to come to this level of fluency. Like these are the four things that I did almost every single day, and I achieved this level of fluency. And I still practice English. It's not that I have stopped practicing English, and because I believe that communication skill is like a never ending process. The more you practice, the better you get. So that's the cycle I am in right now. So yes, if you want to become fluent in English, these were the four things that you need to do at least for 1 year and see the results for yourself. You will never stop doing, like you will never stop implementing these four things once you see the results that it brings to you. Yes, if you found this video to be helpful, I want you to subscribe to this YouTube channel and hit the bell icon, because it helps me, like it motivates me to make more videos.